Yo, what's up guys? Andy from TapLab here, and today I'm going to give you 3 quick tips for growing to 1,000 TikTok followers. And these tips are going to be super easy for anyone to do, and probably things that you aren't typically hearing. I didn't do any trending videos or use trending sounds or weird hashtags or anything like that. Okay, so here we are on one of my TikTok pages, and pretty much everything I've posted, I've just made for Instagram Reels and then reposted here on TikTok. And over there, I kind of do my own thing as well. I don't use trending sounds or videos. I'm not a hot girl, or I don't look like a typical TikTok kid. I'm just an average dude trying this. So let's get into my 3 quick tips for growing on TikTok. Tip number 1, you're gonna want to pick a niche or some sort of topic. In mine, you can see that I've chosen Pokemon cards, obviously, just because it's something I enjoy and have fun with. Like I said, I think there are certain types of people that can get away with not picking a topic, but I'm not one of those types of people. So you gotta kind of have a topic or a common ground with your viewers to where they want to see consistent stuff, and then they decide to follow you. Tip number 2, you're going to want to make short videos. All my videos I think are like 5 to 30 seconds about. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to do videos that are like over a minute, because people on TikTok, they're on the For You page just swiping, and they want to see like quick, engaging, entertaining content that kind of grabs their attention immediately. And you want to make sure your video always has something like engaging or that makes them think and want to continue on watching the rest of the video. Like this one, you can see it's clean, but there's more going on, and then there's text popping up on the screen, it's switching views, and that keeps people interested. They're like, what's going on here, you know? So definitely pop up text on the screen that may like catch their attention or catch them off guard at a certain point, like a few seconds into the video, and that can help as well. Tip number 3, the most important tip, I think. What I've noticed, you have to post consistently. You want to post once a day at minimum. If you want to post more than that, like 2 or 3 times a day, like at consistent intervals, that's fine. But I just posted once a day, and I reposted my Instagram Reels. I think the most interesting thing that I found was that TikTok seems to be a momentum-based algorithm. It's like a snowball effect. If you keep posting, it keeps giving you more views, it keeps showing your content to more people. And then if you have a big video, it's going to show all of your old content in the For You page to those people as well. So you want to keep posting consistently daily. It's a momentum-based algorithm. You can see now when I post, like this one got 140 views, but now they're getting a few hundred views each. And I remember when I was down here posting, these were only getting like 50 views. I would post, it'd just give it 50 views and then it would stop. And then it went to like 80 views and it would stop. It just keeps on snowballing until you have one video that, you know, does decent. Like this one here got 4,700 views. That kind of boosted the rest of them. And then the next time I posted a good one, I think might have been this one, and then that one kind of blew up, and it just keeps building all of them. It's a snowball effect. So let's go back through these real quick. Pick a topic, post short quality videos, and post daily. It's a momentum-based algorithm. That'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.